Hello everyone, this is Donner and Liesl's puppies. This is going to be our newborn update here. We're excited. Liesl's just coming back in just a minute here. But we have 6 new babies. We have 2 silver females, 2 blue females, 1 silver male and 1 blue male, but they're all doing great. Born yesterday. Beautiful babies, but they're all doing fantastic. And Miss Liesl is taking great care of them. But again, we have 2 silver females, 2 blue females, 1 silver male and 1 blue male, and we're just excited. Liesl's taking great care of them, and she's just gone out for another break, but they're all sleeping, nestled up here, staying warm. But we just wanted to bring this newborn update to you guys. It's going to be exciting to watch these guys grow. They'll be ready at the end of March, and their list had already began. But if you have any questions or would like to join their list here, they're all short hair from Donner and Liesl. We always expect soft coats and just beautiful babies. But just sweet, sweethearts. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And this is Donner and Liesl's newborn. Thank you.